Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start joining clubs while studying abroad with Meetup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Starting your journey to join clubs while studying abroad can be exciting. First, visit the Meetup website or download the Meetup app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Make sure to fill out your profile with interests that reflect your hobbies and preferences. Once your profile is set up, enter your location in the search bar. This will help you find clubs and groups near you. Explore the categories that interest you. You can find options like sports, arts, language exchange, and more. Take your time to browse through the available groups. Read the descriptions to find out what activities they offer. Check how often they meet and their location details. Look for clubs that are beginner-friendly or geared toward newcomers. Click on a group you're interested in to view its page. Here you'll find upcoming events listed. Join the group to stay updated on future activities. If you find an event that interests you, RSVP to secure your spot. Make sure to check if any materials or preparations are required. When the day of the event arrive a little early. This will give you a chance to familiarize yourself with the location. Be open and approachable when you meet other members. Introduce yourself and express your excitement about being part of the group. Engage in conversations and ask questions to get to know others. Participate actively in the activities planned during the event. Don't hesitate to express your thoughts and share your experiences. After the event, consider connecting with members on social media. This can help you build friendships and stay in the loop. Continue attending events regularly to make the most of your experience. Be patient as it may take time to find your ideal group. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.